finishing up any time now. Talk about a recluse. He only comes out once a year. He never catches any flack for it. Probably lives up there to avoid the taxes. Merry Christmas! Oopsie. Forgot about the reindeer.
Did that stop the old Grinch? No. The Grinch simply said,
If I can't find a reindeer, I'll make one instead. Oh, Max!
So he called his dog Max. Then he took some red thread and tied a big horn on top of his head.
All right. You're a reindeer. Here's your motivation. Your name is Rudolph. You're a freak with a red nose and nobody likes you. Then one day, Santa picks you and you save Christmas. Now forget that thought. We'll improvise. Just keep it kind of loosey-goosey. You hate Christmas. You're going to steal it. Saving Christmas was a lousy ending. Way too commercial. Action! Brilliant! You reject your own nose because it represents the glitter of commercialism. Why didn't I think of that? Cut, print, check the gate, moving on.